work on your dream. So, it's really difficult, but it's worth it. I am not saying that it will be all difficult to realize your most eminent dreams, but I declare that it will be important despite all the troubles, and the more difficult it is as long as your dream is greater, but the accomplishment will be remarkable when you will finally accomplish. It's difficult, but it's worth it. It's easy to have faith when all is well, but it's much more difficult when you are facing challenges in your life, so exactly where you owe your faith. Because trust in God, it is the first step towards success, and therefore faith bounces back in knowing that there is no reason to worry. It's easy to be positive when everything works the way you want, but it's much more difficult when nothing works the way you want, here where you have to pull out all your assets and be ready. However, now is the time. All worth the price. Worth the fight. Anything worth the price will require a real battle to achieve that price. If you need the reward, you can't stop at halftime, because you have to play the game in any situation, through the cold, through the dark, through the difficulties, the adversaries. Then however you must continue to fight and find your real strength. At this point, you will win the real prize. Your true personality. And your personal development. You going up to the next level. In case you survive the storm. To break the norm, you must first resist storms, which forces you to give more than others, to have more than others. Do you think that in time everything I need will come my way? Long distance, I know that if I continue, I will be paid. Long distance, I realize that consistency pays off. In the long run, I know each of my activities, all my control, all my righteousness will bear fruit in a major way. I have faith, everything will be fine. Finally everything will be fine, if I continue to work. In the event that I continue to learn. In case I continue to develop. In case I continue to adapt. In case I learn new ways. The setbacks are generally not negative. Sometimes they are sent to check us in a much bigger and better direction, but you can possibly observe this in case you show character in these difficult situations. If you remain liberal in difficult times. If you show quality through your fights. Try not to say why me. Think how could I get out stronger from this situation, and what is the lesson, what could I learn? In difficult situations, we see who really has character. In difficult situations, we see what people are made of. What are you made of? Tell me, what are you made of? Find that quality that lives in you. Trust that if you continue to do your thing, you will be compensated. It probably won't happen immediately, but it will happen if you continue. Try not to let the complaint enter your life. Do not you dare to think back on your life in 5 years and say to yourself, I could have done more, if only I had succeeded, I could have been in a much improved position. No. Rethink with pride. Look back and have the opportunity to say to yourself, it was difficult, but I'm so proud that I did it, in light of the fact that I received my awards. Make sure your story is a force. Make sure your story is about someone who wouldn't surrender, would not settle. Carry on. Your future awaits you.